Hi, this is Michael from Vecta.io. In this video, we will talk about guides. This dotted line here is a guide. You can glue a few shapes onto a guide and move them all just by dragging your guide. This is especially helpful when making a flowchart or a layout for your web page. To place a guide, start by dragging downwards from your horizontal ruler. You will then see the guide cutting across your drawing horizontally. To place a vertical guide, simply drag it from the vertical ruler. Now, start gluing shapes to your guides. You can now glue an individual or a grouped shape to a guide. However, you cannot glue multiple shapes at once unless they're grouped. Once you see a small red box showing up on the guide, it means your shape is now glued to the guide. A shape can be glued to a vertical guide on its left, middle, or right. The same goes to the horizontal guide. You can glue a shape on its top, center, or bottom. Once all your shapes are glued to the guides, you can start dragging and moving them and have all your shapes move together with your guides. Or, you can also use shape properties to reposition your guides with numbers. After you are done arranging your shapes, you can leave your guides there as they are or delete them. For a better view of your drawing, you can hide the guides simply by heading over to the top bar, View, then select Hide Guides. Guides are only visible when you are editing your drawing. Once published or printed, guides are no longer visible. If you want to delete the guides, select on the guides you want to delete, and the dotted line will turn red, indicating an active guide. Then hit on Delete to remove it. There. You might be wondering, what if you have too many guides? Will it take time to delete all the guides one by one? Worry not. You can simply head over to View, select Clear Guides. Simple. Treat guides like a ruler for you to easily align multiple shapes at once and save yourself some time from aligning shapes one by one. Until next time.